Okay, so today I'm going to be removing a very complex door dent on the car behind me. It's a BMW, it's the second model of the Z series and the first model of the Z series to be mass produced. It's the BMW Z3. Okay, so if we look at this door closely, we can see there's quite a lot going on. We've got a horizontal dent here, which is probably about 7 inches long, a vertical crease here, about 4 inches long. We've got the main impact crease here, which has left a protrusion here, which is probably due to the crash bar behind pushing through. We've got an obvious high crown running around the edge of the door and the frame slightly pushing through, so that needs to be addressed. So I think we'll try and use some glue pulling initially to pull this out, and then we'll finish off, go inside, use some tools and finish the repair off. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the repair's now finished. I managed to use the glue pulling method first by sticking various different tabs on the complex dent that was here, because there was quite a large crown at the bottom here, some crowns coming off by the handle. I then attended to the high spot that was here, which was caused by the crash bar behind. I then used the Ultra Dent screw-on tip bar. Managed to get onto this large horizontal crease here, managed to get onto the vertical crease that was here. Had to sort of navigate through the crash bar and through the window regulator, but we managed to get in there, we managed to get the job done. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, it'd be great to get a thumbs up. And if you want to see and learn how more of these repairs are done using PDR, then please subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified as soon as new videos are uploaded. But for now, we'll catch you later and we'll see you on the next video.